Hey guys, welcome back once again. Now I know before you guys get angry on me for being missing for so long, I want to thank you guys for checking up on me. I keep on receiving your lovely messages on Instagram, and I have to share that past couple of weeks were like major for me. We shifted to new home, then got busy with all the festivals. I had a project to finish. Viren had few competitions. Now finally I'm back. I finally decided it's very important for me to sit down and talk to you guys, and I hope you guys are doing well. So with that, let's start with today's video. In this video, let's talk about how to live a more meaningful life. And the first most important thing that we have to do to live a more meaningful life is to live a life for ourselves, not for others. Live aligned to your truth, live according to your heart, live according to your value, and follow your intuition. It's so important to keep ourselves first. We always tend to keep other needs before our own. We always tend to take others' opinion and take like everything else. But you know that we have a guiding intuition which always tells you which path we have to take. And maybe, it will tell you something opposite of what others are telling you. But trust me, if you follow that, that will be the best thing you can do in your life. And you always live aligned to your truth. If you don't know from where to start, then journaling is the best way, which is just opening a notebook and letting myself write whatever is on my mind. And I think the more and more you write, even if it seems meaningless and whatever in the beginning, eventually you will find that you have a lot to say within you. And that voice within you is the essence of your core, and you should listen to that voice. Listen to what you truly want for yourself, because only you know what is best for you. And I think it's so much great when you learn to live according to yourself. Live for yourself, not for others. The second thing that will help you to make your life more interesting is to make it an ongoing mission to have greater self-acceptance, self-love, and confidence. It begins with self-acceptance. Your relationship with yourself is the most important relationship you will have in your entire life. If you learn to embrace yourself for everything that you are, eventually you will learn to love yourself for everything that you do. And that's the road to self-confidence and feeling good about yourself. And I think most of the time we are our worst enemies. You are the most critical on yourself, or when other people hurt you, or let's say other people are criticizing you or judging you. But it can only hurt you when you allow it to. There are so many issues. For example, comparing yourself to others, feeling unworthy, feeling less than, feeling judged, and all the signs of insecurity you have around you. If you learn to embrace yourself, your dark sides and your light side, because everybody has both, you will learn to be more immune to the pain that you give to yourself for letting those self-judgment. Self-love is your weapon, and it's not always that easy. It's something that you need to work on, but it does make you stronger. And when you truly love yourself, that's when you can truly give unconditional love to others without expecting anything in return. Next is prioritize your life. So if you're anything like me, like you have lots of goals, you have a big dreams and a lot of things you want to work on, but you really don't know where to start and what to start on. So ask yourself, what is that thing that if I do it now will bring me the biggest impact in my life? What will bring me the biggest reward? So I would start that thing first, because you want to use your time wisely. If you know a particular project will change your life in a completely amazing way, then do that thing and don't be afraid. Usually it's our fear that holds us back. So asking that question and picking up that project would be the biggest reward in your life. And people shy away from those things that would bring the biggest change in their life. The next tip on how to make your life more interesting is to stop overthinking. Just do it and just take action. Many of us spend too much time in overthinking. We just worry about small details and which really don't matter. Because the reality is there is something which you really want to do but you are scared to do. Remember that you are never gonna have all the tools and resources that you all need. You're never gonna have all the knowledge that you need, and you're never gonna have all the information that you need. You just start and you just figure it out along the way. And this is for everything and anything in your life.
Ask anyone who is successful, who has built something. They did not have all the answers in the beginning. They were not even good at what they were doing. They just started somewhere, and along the way, they got good, built the skills, and then met people to help them attain the knowledge and skills. So just start, because right now is the good time to start.
The next tip I want to share that will help you when you start to slow down, get discouraged, or you just lose motivation, because the reality check is it's going to happen. So when you do that, you should know your motivation triggers so that you can bounce back as soon as possible. Now, motivation triggers are the things that spark your motivation, that spark your inspiration and want you to take action again. And the next tip is keep looking, keep exploring, and keep growing, and don't settle. Don't settle just for okay. Don't settle just for mediocre. Don't settle just for average. Push yourself and push those boundaries. Dream big, because we only live once. I know that it's super cheesy, but it's true. We only live once. You have only this life to do what you want to do, not others want you to do. And if you don't know what is that thing you have to chase, you have to keep on trying, because you have to follow your intuition. Try different things, because when you keep on doing, eventually you will find your passion, and eventually you will find that thing you're going to just discover it.
Don't feel discouraged. Sometimes you're going to feel like you're stuck. I feel like that too sometimes. And the only thing you can tell yourself is keep going no matter what. Because if you keep trying and looking for it and strive for it, I promise you, you will get there. It just takes the time, the patience, the effort, consistency, all of that. But if you have it in you, then it's out there for you to get.
I am encouraging you to go out there and take the riskier route rather than the safer route, because when you take risk in your life, you will have big rewards. Things you could never imagine in your life will happen to you. That's all for today's video. Love you all so much. See you next time. Bye bye.